Hey guys, welcome back. This is day number 71 of trading futures every day until they become profitable. First of all, I got this new chair. I was sitting on a rocking chair in yesterday's video, if you guys noticed, I don't know, but this is actually very comfortable. Anyways, this video might be a little bit confusing because I took so many pictures and videos today and trades, honestly, that I've forgotten a lot of the stuff. So forgive me, I've tried my best to document it, but I should have tried harder. So only one trade that I took today was not break even, and that's why the thumbnail is red, because I'm an idiot. So the trade that I took that lost was very late in the day. It was at like 5 minutes to market close or something, which I shouldn't have been on the charts. I literally came back home. I was running some errands, came back home, and then I'll show you what happened. But anyway, it was valid nevertheless. But fair value gaps being inverse today, left and right, and failing, the market was just crazy. I didn't take any of those losing ones at that time of the day, but full ported literally like 3 times and hit break even 3 out of those times. And then I ended up losing like $60 from those break evens just from the fees, but that's no big deal. I'll show you guys the trades right now, which there's a lot. Then I'll tell you what I think I need to focus on. So I'm not sure on the order. I'm very sorry. I think this is in the right order. It should be. But I took this trade here. This was one setup that I didn't end up taking, I think I meant to say. Didn't take because of the reaction at entry. I was about to get in right here. And then it made this big run up right here. And I was like, oh man, I can't get in now. And then it ended up hitting TP. This is the one trade that my brother did take and he won today. He's actually green on the day. But because of my reaction time on in the markets, I'm an idiot. I need to figure that out. And I could have been up on that. It would have been scary though. It went pretty high in the drawdown. Stop loss would have been like right here. Then I didn't take this trade because Dodgy didn't, but it was valid and it would have hit TP1 at 1-to-1, 50% off before going break even. It swept liquidity. It was delivering from a 5-minute fair value gap, which you can see down here. Actually, I think it's the 4-hour, but it also delivered from 5-minute. Yeah, and it inversed the 5-minute fair value gap with LRL above. Now it didn't end up hitting that at this point, but yeah. Next trade here. This one here was the one that I actually lost. Okay, it swept liquidity, was delivering from a 15-minute fair value gap, inversed both 1 minutes. I hate when there's 2 fair value gaps on the lag. That's not A+. But Dodgy literally posted this. He alerted this and said A+, and I was like, okay, it does match my rules, and I took it, but I shouldn't have even been on the charts at this time. This is the one that I didn't full port because I just guessed the contracts that I needed to use because I shouldn't have done that, but I only lost like 400 or something. So I still have $1,000 drawdown left on this account instead of like 1,500 what I had yesterday. So I'm chilling that way, and I had the free reset. So I'm not upset. I knew what I was doing. Valid trade. They can't all win. And this was a valid trade. That's my brother burping. This is a valid trade after hours, so I didn't take it, but we swept liquidity, rejected a 1-minute fair value gap right here, this fair value gap here, swept all this liquidity here, and inversed this 1 minute. This is a nice looking price or whatever they say. And yeah, I would have hit break even here and actually reached almost down to full TP. This is at another low over here, but would have scaled 50% off here and about 3/4 of the way to TP, probably another 25% off or 50% off. But yeah, we'll never know because I did not get in this trade because it was after hours. This trade here, Dodgy keeps alerting trades like all day, bro. I like, even when he's not streaming, so that's good. But I mean, I need to like get away from the charts eventually. He alerted this A+ trade 2:30. I stopped trading 2:30 EST, so this is after 2:30 EST, so I didn't take this, but it ended up going to my first TP where I take 50% off, and then it came back down to break even. So I would have got a 0.5 hour on this trade essentially, until actually it did come up and hit TP, but I wouldn't have been in here. Swept liquidity, delivering from 1 hour fair value gap, inverse the 3-minute fair value gap. I don't have the screenshot, but Dodgy, while I was at the grocery store after this, Dodgy alerted like 1 or 2 more trades, and that one there, I think I would have got stopped at break even, but he claims that he would have hit TP on that. So whatever. It was like a beautiful V-shaped recovery. I wouldn't have taken it anyway because it's way after my trading time, but there you go. Okay, so I think one of the main things that I have to focus on right now is like reaction time and always drawing out potential setups as they happen, so I'm ready for it and I'm not rushing when I should be ready to enter. It happens so quickly that right now where I'm at in my skill level in the live market, I can't really be sure that it's a valid setup because my brain is a mess with so much happening everywhere. So I have to like really lock in, because on like back testing, you can't just pause the market and analyze it for like 2 minutes before entering. So you don't have that flexibility. That's just something I got to get used to, and I'm glad I'm doing it on a demo base essentially. So I still have over $1,000 left of drawdown, like I said, so that's good. I really want to make a lot or blow this account tomorrow because I want to either get up on the account or lose it so I can reset for next week, because the next week is my last week with this account at all, because I'm not going to do the rebuild unless I'm up a lot, unless I'm up like 1500 somehow, either on this challenge or the free reset. So we'll find out. We'll see. But I'm really excited to be in the market live every day and actually like focus, locking in. I'm glad I changed my setup around, because honestly it helps me, because I can't see anything else, only my screens, my charts, and Dodgy's live for this free week. And I'm probably gonna use my brother's free week next week for myself, if it seems to be helping me at all. So yeah, this day is kind of scuffed along with this video, but to end it today, I think that I can only improve from here, really. Even though I did lose that trade today, I'm optimistic, I'm excited. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys. My arms look so small right now, what's going on? Hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow for day number 72 of trading futures every day until it become profitable. And yeah, I know it's going to happen eventually. I'm going to be patient, I'm going to try my best, and we'll make it, guys. So yeah, have a good night, everybody.